Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install Steam, Xbox Game Pass and Epic Game Store and all the rest of the game launchers that you use on your ASUS ROG Xbox Li X device. So when your Windows is freshly installed, let's first install the Xbox. Since we don't have to do much in order to install the Xbox, just press the Xbox button right here and then open the Xbox from the list. Wait until the initial update is installed, and then let's sign into the Xbox account using, for example, the Microsoft account on your device. Tap continue. Tap let's go, and you can switch this toggle on if you want Xbox to launch when you start your PC, and this one if you want it to be minimized to system tray, and this one if you want the app to be minimized to system tray when you close it. Okay, so now about the Game Pass, go to the Game Pass right here. And generally speaking, you can either select the subscription type by tapping the Discover Xbox Game Pass and then select one of the available subscriptions. But if this doesn't get dismissed in the future, you'll be able to redeem the Game Pass Premium just by tapping redeem here, and then you just have to tap claim and proceed by tapping next. As you can see, the $15 fee will be charged from your card afterwards, after this first 3 months. So if you want to set up Xbox Game Pass, just click next and then provide your card details and everything else. I'm gonna do it later, so let me close this window for now. Okay, right now we have the Xbox with the library, which is easily accessible with this button right here. Here we only have Microsoft Solitaire Collection. So now the next thing that we're gonna need is the Armory Crate. It's supposed to be pre-installed on your device, but if you don't have it, if you press the Armory Crate button and you don't see this interface, then you're gonna have to first download and install it. You can download and install it from the official ASUS website. Just search for Armory Crate, then go to asus.com support only Armory Crate website, and then here you're gonna find the Armory Crate and Aura Creator installer. Just download this file. Once the file is downloaded, you'll get a zip file. Open this zip file in your downloads folder, and in this zip file we're gonna have the Armory Crate installer. Extract it from here and select the extraction path. The extraction path is, well, by default will extract your file to downloads folder. Then just run this Armory Crate installer, then wait until this app is installed on your device, and then open it either by pressing the Xbox icon and selecting Armory Crate, or by pressing the Armory Crate button and selecting Open Armory Crate SE. The next thing that you're gonna have to do, if you hadn't done this already, is go to the settings, go to Update Center, and check for all of the available updates and update your UWP app and Curve service, and also device and components. Now let's press B to go back. And now what about the other launchers? So just press OK, and right now, as you can see here, we have the shortcuts to download all the launchers that we need. Well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to download Steam and Epic Games. So once you're here in this tab, just tap on the Steam. You're gonna get transferred to the Steam's website. Here you're gonna have to tap on the Install Steam button, run the installation file, tap next, select your language from the list and tap next. Then you can change the destination folder if you'd like to, or just click install, then finish, let the Steam run and perform the initial update. And then once the update is performed, once your Steam is updated, you're gonna have to sign into your Steam account there, and it will be automatically synchronized with your other launchers. So if you press the Xbox icon, you will see the Steam, and this is how you easily access Steam on your device. But let's go back to Armory Crate SE and let's download the Epic Games Store too. So tap download next to Epic Games, and just like in the case of Steam, we get transferred to the Epic Games Store. But the file automatically starts downloading, the installation file starts downloading. Now let's wait. So in the meantime, once the Steam is updated, you can sign into the Steam either using your credentials or scanning the QR code with the mobile device that you have your Steam Guard on. I'm gonna do it later. Right now let's wait for the Epic Games installer to download. And now let's launch the Epic installer. Let's wait for the file to start installation. You can change the installation folder just like with the Steam and tap install. Then wait until the Epic Games launcher is installed, tap yes. Tap yes once again, and I think we're about done. Oh, by the way, we can close the web browser at this point. Let's open the Armory Crate and let's see what's happening there. Okay, so the Epic Games isn't yet installed here. Okay, and now it's downloading an update. From what you can see, let's wait until the update is downloaded, and once the update is downloaded, you'll be able to sign into your Epic Games Store account. Tap yes once again. Okay, so in the moment you're gonna see the sign in page on your Epic Games Store. Now let's go back to let's just press the Xbox icon, and as you can see, now we have everything that we talked about in this video. So if you want to install more launchers on your device, like EA app, GOG Galaxy, Battle.net or Ubisoft Connect, so just tap on one of these options depending on which games you want to play, and that's it. Just sign into your accounts and you'll be ready to use all of these services. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.